Hi gang and non-gang members. Welcome to my YouTube video. We're talking about Ford, uh, but before I begin with Ford, I want to first go over two of the videos we already have up. XBI, where we got a nice 6% profit. That is the biotech, and it was interesting. I started telling my gang 2 weeks ago that we'll put an advanced order in, that I thought this would be the next move. And then it moved yesterday, and only CNBC started talking about it yesterday. We were 2 weeks ahead of them. But here's the thing: it turned green. So this gave us a nice, it gave us a real nice run. Okay, so and what's nice this time, it broke out. You can see last time it turned green, then failed, tried again, failed, tried again, failed. This time though, she broke out. So XBI looks really good, and this is all you needed. You need the crossover, and for it to turn 2 days green and the crossover, and then you start out small, not a lot of shares, and then as you build your momentum, and when you add to your position, okay, like see how this big candlestick, you engulf. Anytime you get a candlestick engulfing the body, not the wick or the tail, it just has to engulf the body. So to add to your position, the signal is this body is bigger than this body. This body's bigger than this body. And as long as this guy's going up right here, we're in great shape. So XBI, we're up nicely. We were up on XBI about, I believe it was around 6%. And then we had another one, LABU, and these are all up on the video here for you. I'm just going over quick. LABU, I already have those posted for you. LABU, same thing. We caught a nice move here. Same thing, beautiful. See, first you got to get the crossover, then it's got to turn green. And then you know the institutional money's pouring in. And then that is this XBI was 6%. LABU was another, I think, 9%. Then we had, now, when I told everybody, remember we had Tiffany also. And Tiffany, we're doing terrific with Tiffany. Tiffany, we got a 15% return. So again, you got to wait until the red line crosses yellow, and it did right here. And then she turned green. See it? That's the buy signal. So you wait for 2 days to make sure it stays green. And then you can see we got a nice rally all the way up. And Tiffany gave us 15%. But here's what's nice now. Now it's turned red. But we don't sell it short yet. Okay? And we don't sell it short. As long as it's red, we start reducing the amount of shares we have. We just leave very few shares on. And when it starts coming down, we don't sell into it short until we get this crossover like this red line. They start coming together in a yellow like this. And then it crosses over. And then once this crosses over, right here, like it did right there, then we start shorting. Okay, just like when it turns green, it crossed over right here. See it? And then we wait. It was red. We wait, and then boom, there it is, green. Then we got 2 days of green, and then we bought. So now we can catch it all the way back down again. Okay. Now sometimes what will happen, it'll turn red for 1 day and then turn and go right back up green. Okay. So another one I said I want to follow, and Tiffany, we were up 15% on Tiffany. I started with Ford today. I gave everybody Ford today. You can follow this if you want. And today I said, let's short Ford. And we put an advanced order at 1238. We missed it by 1 penny. So tomorrow it should get filled. And then we'll just see how well this does in the next few days. And I'll follow it along with you, okay? I'll follow it with you so you can see how accurate it is. And it's that simple. All you know is red crossed through yellow and it turned red. You haven't got to know anything about the market cap of the stock or all this jabber stuff you hear on TV, the forward PEO and the price to sales, and they're going to do a merger, they'll get a new product coming out. You don't need to know anything about the book value or the return on assets, return on equity. You haven't got to know anything. All you got to know is this is set up to follow the institutional money. It follows the institutions like T. Rowe Price, Bank of New York Mellon, J.P. Morgan Chase, Franklin Resources, Goldman Sachs, Dodge and Cox, Northern Trust. They're the ones who have big clients like the pension funds, the fire, the police, and they represent them. And they come in and they buy millions, they buy millions of shares. And when they buy, it turns green. When they get out, it turns red. So you're following these groups. That's all. Now you can't tell which one is who. I mean, was this Dodge and Cox or this one New York Mellon? All you have to do is look up Ford, and it'll give you, who they are. But all you need to know, don't even look them up. You just need to know green, you buy, red, you sell short. Okay? Go to my site, philsgang.com, join the gang, and then we also have, of course, what we call our PT1 for the more aggressive trader. Okay, this is good. If someone's going to be in here, they're going to be in here anywhere for a month or two. Here, we're in anywhere from 3 to 5 days. So this is more for an aggressive trader, not day trading. It's called swing trading. All right, that's it. See you on the charts.